This is a Lightning air mixer, XJASS-33. There's the serial number, there's the rotation. It's got this blank shaft hooked up to it. I could possibly ship this thing UPS without the shaft, but with the shaft it's going to have to ship freight, and I'll have it listed for freight for now. We can discuss that if you want. There's the top of the unit. I just have it temp hooked up, and if you had a regulator you could vary the speed, but I don't have a regulator hooked up. So that's it running. Full bore. Well, that's what it is. Explosion proof because it's air. And like I said, that's the unit. Thank you.